Hi there, I'm Stefan from Extreme Group. I hope you started well into this new year 2019. We did. We had a little bit longer holidays and now we are back to business, in the middle of new projects. But there's also the first trade show for this year coming up. That is the BVE in London, held at the Excel. We are happily looking forward to meet you there at our booth G24. This year we will exhibit together with some of our vendor partners. And I'm very happy and proud to announce that there are new vendor partners with us. For instance, that is Attende Software from Poland. Attende offers a CDN solution that comes in combination with a CMS system and CRM system, player applications, DRM for content protection. It's a software suite to become a video on demand or live streaming portal. We also have Libero Systems from Turkey with us. Libero offers applications all around video handling, either ingest from multi-cameras or multi-programs, playout, 24/7 operations, a fully redundant solution for a channel in a box playout. There are additional applications that are in the area of graphic overlays for sports, voting systems and similar. Our partner MetaLiquid from Italy is not that new to us anymore. They also have been exhibiting with us on IBC last year. MetaLiquid offers solutions for AI-based object recognition or face recognition, language detection or content classification. Squared Paper is a brand new partner that we do our first steps together with. Squared Paper is from England, from Reading, close to London. Squared Paper offers an enterprise service bus type application that comes along with a number of microservices that are all together good for either integrations in smaller or larger environments, even in complex workflows integration situations, but on the other hand also for dedicated applications, for instance like the recording and playback of horse races with multi-camera angles. Woody Technology is our partner from France, Paris, that we go along with since quite a long time. They offer ingest and outgest applications. So far you know them probably from a workstation-based ingest. Now there is also a server-based ingest ability. There's the possibility to build farms. Things can grow. There are more integrations right now, and there's still, rather new, the social media ingest. We will show the complete product portfolio. Then we have Kaltura Systems from the US. Kaltura is our partner since a long time for everything all around transcoding. File transcoding, live transcoding. The 2 days special requirements that we are often facing play in the Ultra HD space. With all the special requirements about color space, conversions, corrections, correct metadata flagging, and so on. We do support all the required file formats from sub SD up to Ultra HD 4K or even 8K. Floworks, here from Munich as we are, is our partner for media asset management. The Flow Center is a distributed media asset management system that supports distributed workflows on distributed storages. On BVE we will show the minimum, as we call it, that is the complete media asset management packed in a very small computer box that is good for either smaller customers and smaller installations, or for the outlets of a distributed media asset management system. And last, Extreme Media, your specialists for consulting of workflow integrations, workflow orchestration, and also the people that come on site and help with the professional services to get things done. We are also always at your hand for special problems to be solved. Just let us know. I would love to meet you quite soon at our booth G24 at BVE 2019.